Hey there, eco enthusiasts. Today, I'm diving into the world of natural fertilizers that'll take your coconut crops to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned grower or just starting out, these tips are going to make your coconuts thrive the natural way. First up, let's talk about compost. It's nature's way of recycling, and it's packed with nutrients. Collect your kitchen scraps, yard waste, and even coffee grounds. Mix them up and let them break down over a few months. The result? Rich, dark compost that your coconut trees will love. Next, we've got seaweed. If you're near the coast, you're in luck. Seaweed is a fantastic source of trace minerals and plant growth hormones. Rinse off the salt and lay it around the base of your trees. It decomposes slowly, providing a steady stream of nutrients. Don't forget about manure. Cow, horse, or chicken manure are all excellent choices. Just make sure it's well aged to avoid burning your plants. Spread it around the base of your trees and work it into the soil. It's like a superfood for your coconuts. Another secret weapon is fish emulsion. It's made from fermented fish and is rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Dilute it with water and apply it as a foliar spray or directly to the soil. Your coconut trees will thank you with faster growth and healthier leaves. Last but not least, consider planting cover crops like legumes. They fix nitrogen in the soil, improving its fertility. Once they're grown, you can till them into the soil, adding organic matter and nutrients. There you have it, natural, eco-friendly ways to boost your coconut crop. Give these methods a try and watch your trees flourish. Thanks for tuning in and happy growing. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more eco-friendly tips. Catch you next time.